Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video we're going to be dealing with what are sets. So a set is a collection of items which is unordered and unindexed. What do you mean by unordered? So unordered means when we display the elements of a set, it will come out in random order. And unindexed means we cannot access the elements of a set using the indexes like we can do in the list and tuples. In Python, the sets are written with the curly brackets. So now in this video I'm going to be covering these topics. So first I'm going to be showing you how do you create a set, how do you access items in a set, checking if an item is included in the set. Also I'm going to be showing you how do you add items to the set, how do you remove items from the set, how do you get the length of the set. Also I'm going to be showing you how do you join or merge two or more sets. Let's get started. Let me create a set now. I'll just name it as set underscore 1 equals and open the curly brackets. I'll be adding few items related to colors: red, blue, green. Now I'll be printing this out. So I'm going to print type set underscore 1 and then set underscore 1. So it's class set and the set has been printed out. So this is how you define a set or create a set. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you access items. You cannot access items in a set by referring to an index. Since sets are unordered, the item has no index. But you can loop through the set using a for loop or ask if a specified value is present in a set by using the in keyword. Let's get started. So now for x in set underscore 1 print x. So this is going to print out the items in the set. It's red, green and blue. Now I'm going to check if an item is available in a set. So for that I just have to type print. So let me search if gold is present in the set in set underscore 1. So it's going to give no or false. So if you check if red is present in the set, it's going to give true. So this is how we check if something is present in a set or not. Now once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. So to add new items, we are going to be using the add function. So your set name dot add, and in the brackets specify the item. I'll keep it as gold. Now I'm going to be printing the set. So as you can see, gold has been added. Now I'm going to show you how do you add multiple items to a set using the update method. So you have to type your set name, which is set underscore 1 for me dot update. Inside the brackets we have to add a square bracket, and now we can specify our item. I'll just name it gold. Now let me print our set, printing out set underscore 1. So as you can see, gold has been added. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you get the length of your set. You just have to print len and then in the bracket set 1. So this is going to give you 4 because we have 4 items: red, blue, green and gold. Now I'm going to show you how do you remove an item. So to remove an item, you just have to type set underscore 1 dot remove, and in the brackets you have to specify what you need to remove. So I'll be removing gold. Now I'll print set underscore 1 and then length of our set. So as you can see, only 3 items are available. I just removed gold. What happens when you remove this? So when you don't specify anything for the set to be removed, so it will raise an error. Remove takes exactly 1 argument, so you can't just keep it blank. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you clear the set. So for that you just have to type set1 dot clear. And we have to run this. So as you can see, set has been cleared. There are no items, it's 0. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you delete the set completely. So you just have to type del and then your set name. For me it's set underscore one. So as you can see, name set1 is not defined over here because set1 has been deleted using the del function. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you join two sets. So I'll create a set2. Now to join this, you just have to type in your new set name, set underscore 3 equals set underscore 1 dot union, and in the brackets we have to specify set2, set underscore 2. Let me print set3, set3, and then len set underscore 3. Now let me run this. So as you can see, it's been combined. There are 6 items in set3 now. You also have another method to combine this using the update method. So you just have to type set underscore 1 dot update, and in the bracket set underscore 2. Now this will get combined to set1. You just have to print set underscore 1. So as you can see, it's been combined to set1. So this is how you merge or join two sets. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.